First at noon, the growing concerns over the coronavirus spreading in South Florida and what that means for our local hospitals. Good afternoon, I'm Steve Goldstein. With the cases and positivity rates rising, mayors for Miami-Dade and Broward counties are addressing concerns and what we need to be doing to try to bring those numbers down. CBS 4's Joan Murray begins our team coverage this afternoon in Fort Lauderdale. Hi, Joan.
Hey, Goldie. So we are here at the County Government Center, and the new mayor of Broward County, Steve Geller, who was just sworn in recently, just held a 90-minute phone call with all the mayors of Broward County and also the Health Department and Memorial Regional Hospital to get a snapshot of what is going on here in the county. And there were some major takeaways over exactly where we are. Now, we're not experiencing the double-digit numbers rate of infection as we did over the summer here in Broward. However, the rate continues to go up. So the major takeaways were that in Broward County, we have a positivity rate of 7.47% over the past 14 days. Again, this is gradually inching upwards, but again, not in the double digits as we saw over the summer. The second major thing we heard this morning was that Memorial Regional Hospital, the Memorial Regional System in Broward County, that's one of two hospitals here in South Florida to be getting the first doses of the Pfizer vaccine. They announced that they will be getting 20,000 doses, and as everyone knows by now, that you have to get 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine to be effective. So they will be able to give the vaccine to 10,000 frontline healthcare workers within the Memorial system. And then finally, the other takeaway in this whole meeting was that the median age of infection here in Broward County, 39 years old. I'm back here live. So again, this is a good snapshot of where we are in the county and where we need to go. There was a lot of discussion about enforcement because really the rules of wearing a mask, keeping social distance, they have never been lifted. So we're still under that in the county, but because the governor is not enforcing fines, it doesn't really have a lot of teeth in terms of they can cite a business for not meeting these regulations, but it doesn't have much in the way of forcing them to comply. So we'll have a complete wrap up on all the latest what's going on here in Broward County related to the COVID virus and also the vaccine. That will be all new beginning at 5. Reporting live in Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.
Joan, thanks so much. Miami-Dade Mayor Daniela Levine Cava is also addressing the coronavirus pandemic and the impact it's having on hospitals. At a virtual news conference that just got underway, the mayor was joined by a cross-section of health experts and elected officials to share their concerns.
We're gravely concerned about overwhelming our healthcare system capacity to care for COVID patients. Our hospital network in South Florida is one of the finest in the country and has done extremely well at dealing with this pandemic. But if we push our system to the limit, when COVID cases spread too quickly, we will be at a breaking point. So that is why it is.
Mayor Levine Cava, who announced days ago that she and her husband had tested positive for COVID, says she's experiencing a number of symptoms, but that she is not incapacitated. We'll have much more from this event later on CBS 4 News at 5.